Before creating a video analytics rule on a camera, you must first calibrate the camera. This step allows the camera to more accurately classify people and other detected objects. We also recommend running this calibration process if the camera's field of view is changed after the installation. To calibrate the video camera, tap on the video card from your app's home screen. Then tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Tap Calibrate Cameras. Select the camera you would like to calibrate by tapping on its name. Read the recommendations before proceeding. You will be asked to take a series of photos from the camera. Make sure to capture your entire body in the photos and move straight back from the camera rather than side to side. Once you're ready to start, tap Continue on the top right corner of the screen. After starting calibration, move into the camera's field of view. Take 5 photos of yourself at varied distances from the camera by tapping Take Photo underneath the video feed. Once all 5 photos have been taken, tap Submit on the top right corner. The page may take a moment to load. After calibration is complete, the camera is ready to configure video analytics rules. For more information on this process, check out the videos on creating video analytics rules for tripwires and ground zones.